Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back with another video on, my $1,000 1998-ish Mercedes S420. And yes, Lola has a new haircut. She wanted to show off her new locks. Aren't you gorgeous? They left her eyebrows, her eyelashes. She looks beautiful. This car... Okay, I know you're desperate. You're desperate for attention. Okay, here we're giving the full look. Give him the glamour shot. There it is. Good girl. Okay, no, you have to get down now. Go away. This is also a beautiful car. Well, it's going to be after I give her a day at the spa. This is an issue, okay? I don't want to drive with this, but I believe that I have two new headlights somewhere in there. I'm going to have to find them, okay? Let's do a quick little walk around, and I will show you more of what is wrong with this soon-to-be gorgeous Mercedes. Okay, right off the bat, other than the headlights, we are missing part of the lower bumper, okay? The lower front bumper needs to be fixed. We've got a little sagging issue right here. This is not supposed to be like this, and electrical tape isn't going to hold it up. Okay, there's a huge spring in here that kind of holds this together, and there's a little gasket that's supposed to be there. It just looks sad. It just needs a little Cialis. You know what I'm talking about? Just whoop up just a little bit. Okay. Other than that, let's look at the wheels. This one is in pretty good condition. Yep. Nothing, I don't know what this is, okay? There's some drips of something right here. This is actually holding air. This is the tire that was all the way flat when I bought the car. That wheel looks to be in pretty good condition. I believe the bumper on the rear used to be black. That's okay. I have a can of paint. We're going to touch that up as well. Not a big deal, okay? Around the back, super dirty, super dirty, super dirty. Look at the date, 12 of 20. She wasn't on the road for a long, long time. This wheel is in beautiful condition right there. All four different tires. I just want to point that out there. More electrical tape holding things together. I don't think this is supposed to be like this. Not a big deal. We'll have to address that. And this wheel looks to be in pretty good condition. I just need to get some center caps. Oh, that's a spider. Go back in your house. Okay. She may need some tires as well because this, this is a hot mess. Maybe this is the tire that was flat. Maybe so, because this seems to be an issue. She's already losing air, and this seems like it's been sitting for a long, long time right there. But I have a spare, so we'll see what the spare looks like and put it on. We'll address some of the painting issues on the front bumper as well, and of course I might even have a hood emblem. I don't know, we'll just have to see. I may have one back there somewhere. I just collect these parts for some reason. On the inside, it's a little dirty. Oh, what are you doing? You want to go for a ride? She loves traveling. She's a travel person. Anyway, the doors, the car has been neglected, okay? Let's just say that. And we have a black floor mat all over, four black floor mats. The carpets are really dirty, but the leather itself, no problems. Not a whole bunch of problems over there. Lola's kind of holding some things. You gonna move for me? Okay, there we go. A couple of scratches. The steering wheel is terrible. That is a hot mess right there. But the wood here seems to be in pretty good condition. We can clean that up. It kind of matches the wood on the dash. A couple little cracks right there. The dash itself is dying for something to drink. So we will address that. I need a rear view mirror in the back seat. Let's take a look real quick. Oh, I get a shade. Oh, that's kind of cool. They included the shade. I have extra floor mats, all kinds of floor mats right here. And Lola, can I see? Will you get out for a second? Get down. Get down. Don't act all butthurt just because I asked you to move, okay? This is how long the car's been sealed up. Look at that. Yeah, look at this. That's a mess, but what is it with the car? You love it in here. Why? Okay, and thanks for pointing out the issue with the sunroof cover. Yeah, I'm going to have to figure out what to do with that. Get that thing redone, because that's a hot mess. But the leather itself in the back seat, it looks great. It looks great. These little panels sometimes fall apart. They look okay. Oh, this is the cover for your third brake light right there. Look at that. We're going to fix something already. Yeah, there it is. We just fixed it. Okay. Do I get a... the first aid kit is still here. Oh, this is cool. Is there anything in it? There is. Look at this. Bose sound system and just a really, really, really dirty carpet. Let's see what's in here. Let's see if I can hold this. Like that. This is for me, Lola, in case we get in some kind of an accident. Oh, this is, look at that. This is original. Never been used. Look at all these. I got Band-Aids, flexible, butterfly, gauze, waterproof adhesive, everything you need, even a cleansing towelette. This has been opened. Someone's been in this one. Okay. And there's some kind of a residue. I don't know what that is. But how cool is this? A triangular bandage. This is nice. A nice little touch, and this will tell me what to do. First steps in a heart attack. There we go. Check for unconsciousness. If no response, roll the victim towards you onto their back. Open the airway. Check for breathing. If they're not breathing, use the ABCs of CPR. Ah! This is cool. Made in Taiwan. Okay, we'll zip this up. We'll put this back. What we're going to do in the video today is kind of a cleaning day because I don't like to work on a car that's like dirty. If it's gross and disgusting, it's not somewhere I want to be. It's not something I want to work on. So if I have some engine cleaner, we'll clean the engine bay. We're going to use my new pressure washer to clean the outside. Then we'll give her a proper bath. And then we'll come and work on the inside with a rug cleaner and some leather cleaner and see what we can do. I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of time here. I just want it to look decent and be a place that I would like to stay for a while. This is giving me all kinds of trouble. Okay, there it is. So, without further ado, let's put this back. There it is. And let's get to work. Are you ready to see a gorgeous car? Check it out. I am so happy. What about you, Lola? Are you happy? She came out pretty as you. Yes, sir. Look at this. This Mercedes paint is so good. It is so thick. I've tried some rubbing compound, and I've tried some other things to get this off. I don't know what this is, so we're going to spend some more time on that. But just take a step back and look. I haven't even done the inside or the other side of the windows or the glass. I haven't sprayed any tire cleaner, but look at the wheel and look at the trunk. Okay, that stuff will come out. Yeah, it needs a wax. It definitely needs a wax. See how that came out? Look. Yes, gorgeous. So much junk came out of here with that pressure washer. I love it. I have never had a pressure washer before. Look at this wheel. Look at that. It looks brand new except for the center cap. Oh my goodness. We even cleaned behind here. Yep. Everything drains as it should. This looks new. This looks new. Premium fuel only. Wow. And of course we got the door jambs and it looks 1,000 times better. A little bit wet, so I have wiped off the water that got in there. We'll move on the inside here in just a little bit, but look at this car. Holy moly, and the tire's going flat. She's going flat. Little touch up here and there, and she'll look like a new car. All these freckles we can address. We did that before in the car that had, what was it, 360,000 miles? Remember the E-Class that could have driven to the moon and back part of the way? Wow, that looks gorgeous. Talking about the car, Lola, sorry. You're pretty. We're back after a quick little wipe down of the seats. I didn't show you. I'm sorry, but they're looking really nice. Okay, I'm just gonna leave them clean, and then tomorrow when it's warmer, it'll be like 10 degrees warmer, we will treat the leather because you want it warm so the leather can absorb all of the good stuff that Leatherique has to offer. One issue right here. Not a major deal. Maybe I could fix that. I don't know. But after a quick little, I don't want to say Armor All because I didn't use Armor All. I think it looks a lot better. Still haven't cleaned the windows. I want to vacuum out all of the carpet, and then we'll attack it with a carpet cleaner. Not you. And we'll see what we look like. Okay, that's a hot. Yeah, that's pretty gross right there. So I won't show you because you've seen me clean carpets about 1,000 times, but you'll see the end result. She was looking so good, I thought I would read some codes and see what the deal is. Okay, so a quick little OBD2 thing has revealed a code of 1580. Oops, I shouldn't be listening to this. There we go. Check out my cool Pioneer stereo from the early 2000s, I'm guessing. I think it even has Bluetooth. I don't know. We're going to find out. I got to find this. This is going to drive me cuckoo. I definitely need a rear view mirror. As far as codes for the engine, a 1580 actuator M33, right regulation part M16-3. But I can't reach the Wi-Fi from out here because I moved it in the house. So we'll have to do some research on that. Also, another discovery, you can hear the wonderful engine. Tickety tick, 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 tick. Doesn't she look a lot better? Doesn't that look a heck of a lot better? I have not cleaned all the plastic parts, okay? They're sitting right there. I got to clean all the plastic. But this part of the car, and I let it dry completely before I tried to start it, is 100 times better. So I put all the plastic back on, it's going to look like new. And the hoses even look good. The hoses have been replaced with Mercedes. So I'm happy about that. I'm not happy about this. And I did find in my garage, please excuse the mess. This is the world's worst garage. It really is. I have all kinds of headlights. And I found my W140 headlights right here. So I do have a headlight that looks good. It's just for the wrong side. That's for the right. I have one for the left. What do I do with it? But it has an issue. Let me show you. Lola's got her little orange monkey. Oh, here it is, right behind me. I had it all ready to go. Yeah. And it's a little bit different on the outside. So you can order just the covers. So I'm definitely going to do that first and see if I can try to save a little bit of money. But this is glass. But they do look a little bit different. So maybe that one has already been replaced with plastic. I don't know. It's just this tickety tick 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 that's got me bothered. I think once I change the oil, put some Marvel mystery oil in there, clean it out real good, we'll get some oil to all the places that need to be oiled. I guess I could. Looks like the valve covers may have been off too. Well, okay. I guess that's a good thing. I don't know. We're going to do some research on the P1580, I think it was. But the car itself, look at that. It looks magnificent. I went ahead and waxed it. I did. I waxed her up because she deserved it. And she looks so much better, except we have a flat tire over here. And there's something loose on the exhaust. So the tire, I do need one tire. I have 3 choices. I can have it match one of 3. But the car itself, look at this. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Yes. I didn't spend a whole lot of time today cleaning it either. I mean, this was just a kind of a quick little run through. You can see right there, I got one stain. But like I said, we'll condition the leather tomorrow when it's hot. And it's going to be like a new car. It's going to be beautiful. Just like you. Well, what do you think about my little car? I know what she thinks. She wants to go for a ride in it, don't you? Yeah, you do. You really do. Anyway, for $1,000? Are you kidding me? It runs, it drives, the radio works. Does the hood or the trunk? Trunk button does not work. Okay, that's all right. What about the rear head? No. Oh well. What do you expect for $1,000? I love it though. I really, really do. So we'll order a part for the headlight. We'll order a door check for the driver's door because that's swinging crazy. It's a little bent as well. We'll find a cover for the steering wheel, and we'll figure out what to do with this, which is stuck. Great. Yeah, it's so sticky. It is stuck. Well, I just need a piece about like that big then. Okay, not a big deal. And a tire. We got to find a tire. And we got to do a little research on the error code, P1580. Other than that, I'm happy. I am super duper happy. And I'm glad you were watching. So thank you very much as we begin another journey on yet another Mercedes W140. I love these cars. I really do. You just can't go wrong with them. And they last forever, and they're quiet, and they're big, and they're powerful. Whew, and they're very well made. Love it. All right, folks, thank you for watching. We'll see you again in another video very, very soon, okay? Bye-bye.